Good morning to all. Today we are going to learn about prepositions. Do you know what a preposition is? Prepositions are the words that tell us the position of people, animals, places, or things. They tell us where the thing is. A preposition is an important part of the English language. Now look at this picture and see the position of animals. The dog is in the kennel. Here the preposition in is used to refer something that is inside. Next one, the bird is on the roof. Here the preposition on is used to refer something with a surface, and it shows the relationship between the bird and roof. Next one, the butterflies are flying above the pond. So the preposition above shows the relationship between the butterflies and the pond. Above means higher than something else. Next one, the duck is swimming in the pond. The word in shows where the duck is. Next is the fish lives in the pond. It shows the position of fish. The duck is near the fish. It means the duck is next to the fish. Next one, the frog is hiding behind the stone. The word behind shows the relationship between the frog and the stone, shows the position of the frog. The frog is hiding the back of the stone. Let's learn more about prepositions with the help of these pictures. Here the various position of dog is shown in this picture. First one is the dog is on the kennel, beside, above, between means in the middle of two kennels, in front of, behind, in, under, near. Now let's discuss the exercise. Look at the pictures and fill in the blanks. The dog is dash the kennel. So where is the position of dog? The dog is near the kennel. That means next to the kennel. Second one, the pen dash the pocket. So where is the position of pen? In the pocket. Next is the girl is dash the curtain. So where is the position of girl? Behind the curtain. Next is the frog is sitting dash the leaf. So where is the position of frog? On the leaf. Fifth one, the dog is dash the painting. So where is dog sitting? The dog is sitting in front of the painting. The flowers are dash the flower vase. So where is the position of flowers? In the vase. There is a swing dash the house. So where is the position of swing? Beside the house. Beside means by the side of. Eighth one, the boy is dash the boat. So where is the position of boy? In the boat. It shows the relationship between the boy and the boat. Then the last one is the boat is dash the bridge. The boat is under the bridge. Under means on the ground. So hope you understood this usage of prepositions in the sentence. And remember children, prepositions tell us where the thing is. It can never be followed by a verb. A preposition must always be followed by a noun or pronoun in a sentence. So all of you please go through the chapter and read the examples. Do your exercises carefully. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.